Yes, Solid Rock family. As we continue on this Black Man Time, Richie Spice 10th album journey, we're going to continue with track number 3 with the Fireman, Capleton, and Richie Spice on the Danger in Your Eyes rhythm. And as some of you might know, Danger in Your Eyes rhythm is a classic rhythm. It has a couple classic artists on it, from Gregory Isaacs singing the actual title of the rhythm. 'Cause I see danger in your eyes telling me, girl, I know what you're thinking. And Dennis Brown with Cold-Hearted Fool. Cold-Hearted Fool. Hey, what we do? Hey. Yeah? Well, now it's Richie Spice and Capleton time with These Are the Days on the Danger in Your Eyes rhythm. And we're going to kick it away like a ball standing tall. No long talking. Okay, let's get ready for the walking. In comes
Viceful record, Marvin, kick it.
Burn them up, nana, burn. Burn them up, nana, burn them up, nana, burn them up. King Shango, Richie Spice, yo, Richie Spice.
These are the days, these are the days, these are the days when you trod through Babylon. These are the days, these are the days, these are the days of great tribulation.
Every youth man, prepare for the days of revolution.
From the top again. When the fireman come, you know you have to do a little. You understand what I'm saying? Flame! Because that's the aim. See? So from the top to the very last drop, what a classic rhythm, man. Them rhythm I can't done. Full of fun. Richie Spice, Capleton. These are the days. So you better change your ways.
Viceful record, Marvin, kick it.
Burn them up, nana, burn. Burn them up, nana, burn. Burn them up, nana, burn them up. King Shango, Richie Spice, yo, Richie Spice.
These are the days, these are the days, these are the days when you trod through Babylon. These are the days, these are the days, these are the days of great tribulation.
Every youth man, prepare for the days of revolution. Survival is the only solution. Don't make them broke you down with them illusion. We born confusion.
Hey, me no wanna last if we carry water. Can't take the pressure. Searching for a way just to survive, yeah. I want to make it better for my sons and daughters. So me not gonna give in to peer pressure. I got to find a way to strive.
Alright, get your youth up for the better, up for the best. No to the poverty and no to the stress. Say no to the worst and go for the best. Get your youth to have to pro for the girl. Get your youth to make it in that life. Come and say you have to step out. This is not the time to sit down and stress out. Work hard, get your youth and get out. And even when the struggle hard, put the best out.
When trial and crisis come my way.
Produced by Marvin Williams, Voiceful Records, and Mervyn Williams. I guess it's a Williams brother thing, eh? Keep going.
Jah guide I day by day, yeah. Jah never leave us alone. They can't take my own.
Yeah, Richie Spice, tell him so.
He guide me every step that I take, and every breath he steer me from the fake, yeah.
Burn them up and I burn them. Burn them up and I burn them. Burn them up and I burn them. Burn them up and I burn them.
These are the days, these are the days, these are the days when you trod through Babylon. These are the days, these are the days, these are the days of great tribulation.
Every youth man, prepare for the days of revolution. Survival is the only solution. Don't make them broke you down with them illusion. We born confusion.
Hey, me no wanna last if we carry water. Yeah, can't take the pressure on that. Searching for a way just to survive, yeah. I want to make it better for my sons and daughters. For real. So me not gonna give in to
What are them? 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 What are them?
Oh, na 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 na. Yeah.
Oh gosh. Danger in your eyes, rhythm. These are the days. These are the days. Ghetto youth, wise up, rise up. Get out of the stress. Get out of the mess. Okay? And think of the right thing so that you can remain blessed. Okay? So that was Richie Spice featuring Capleton on the Black Man Time album released September 8th of this year. And I'm telling you, Richie Spice is kicking it into another gear. So stay near because we have so much more to put in the atmosphere from this album here. Okay, Richie Spice, Black Man Time, Richie Spice and Capleton, these are the days. So ones and ones, change your ways. Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Like, positively comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe, you know, to keep things alive. Keep the music alive. Good, positive music alive. See? So we're going to keep it moving and keep it scrolling to prevent you from... We're going to keep it rolling to prevent you from scrolling. See? Yeah. So no long talking. We're going to keep on walking. Burn them up, man, I burn them up. Burn them up, man, I burn them up.